the personal injury attorneys have a unique need where they feel that some of their clients that have been injured, more often than not on the job site or in a motor vehicle crash, don't open up to the attorneys in their offices and kind of give a very vivid picture of how their life has been impacted pre-injury and then post-injury. So we found that it's beneficial to send actually me, a nurse, out to the client, even in their own home or in a coffee shop, wherever they're comfortable, but just have a chat with them and discuss their lives prior to the injury, physical, psychological, social, economic, all of these factors. What are their hobbies? What did they enjoy doing with their families? Where were your favorite vacations? And really creating an image of their whole entire life, of their activity, their social interactions, and then once they've suffered their injury, how it's affected them. Psychologically, it's a huge impact. The clients that are injured have trouble sitting in an attorney's office where it's kind of a little bit tense for them. They're uncomfortable. But if they're sitting there talking to a nurse who understands the medical implications of their injury, they really open up. And that information I then relay to the attorneys to help them create that really vivid image to the jury. It really pulls on the heartstrings of the jury. They find the commonalities with this client, and they feel sorry for them because the lack of ability for them to participate in family activities or their favorite hobbies. So that has been kind of a really human piece that keeps me in a nursing role. And I really enjoy that when I'm able to interact with the clients in that way. As a nurse going out to visit these personal injury clients, they're not just a client, they're the person that's actually been through the healthcare system where I've worked for 29 years and I understand it. And that being said, I have that understanding to communicate with them that I'm there with them to understand the personal impact of this injury and how I, with my nursing role, can communicate with the attorneys on that level to communicate all the damages related to this injury. It's important that the attorneys understand the pre-injury status and the healthy lifestyle, but the client then becomes very connected with me because I'm a nurse and is able to disclose information that they wouldn't disclose in an attorney's office. So with that being said, it shows that the nursing connection with humanity helps these clients who have been injured actually have the best outcome. And again, it's not just about money. It's about the quality of life, being the very best person that they can be post-injury, despite all that's happened to them. And that nursing role is kind of like a liaison between the client and the attorney.